Want crispy, healthy French fries that melt in your mouth? Today, I'm showing you the ultimate snack recipe. Simple, flavorful, and ready in minutes. First, grab 4 medium potatoes. Hello, everyone. The beginning of the preparation of this wonderful, healthy, delicious recipe. Add the potatoes to a pot, cover them with water, and bring to a boil. Once they're tender, drain completely. Now dry them well using a towel. This step is crucial for crispiness. You want them crispy, right? Crack in 2 eggs, add half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon oregano, garlic powder, and 65 grams flour. Simple, you can get them all at your neighborhood grocery store. Mix well until the potatoes are evenly coated in this flavor-packed batter. Heat some frying oil in a pan. Cook for 7 minutes over medium-high heat until golden and crispy on all sides. Let us not waste time. While they cook, let's make the sauce. Chopped shallot, capers, chives, mayonnaise, ketchup, and sriracha. Mix 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 teaspoon sriracha, and black pepper until smooth. And there you have it, crispy, healthy French fries with a tangy, spicy dipping sauce. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment if you enjoyed this recipe. Enjoy the day and healthy, mouth-watering snack, and see you in the next recipe.